Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner from ScreenProtector and from Inte.Team. Welcome in this episode about HDMI, USB to HDMI adapter. Okay, without further ado, let's cut it open. Never use such thing. You might be wondering, Peter, why we want to watch it. Well, if you never copied data from a phone which had faulty display and you didn't have that display in stock, because we don't have usually all the displays out there, then guess what? You might be lucky with this device. That's what I've been told, at least. Time for me to make it working. Yes, so this is CYGNETT, and let's only read what this states. Added a second monitor to improve productivity, 4K resolution at 30 Hz, transmit audio, no need additional cables, premium stylish aluminum case, 10 centimeters cable length, watch movies, compact, lightweight, compatible with Mac and Windows. Okay, USB-C, yes. 3.1. So that's all we need to know. Now let's get the cable, HDMI cable. Let's get my phone, because I don't know if my Motorola will work. Okay, so here's my Motorola G7 Power. Now let's hook up this. Let's plug this one in, and let's switch to the view of the screen capture. Okay, so for now nothing changed. I'll go into my menu, and do I see any connection or something? No. Android said charging connected devices with USB. Tap for more options. Okay, so connected, so use USB controlled by connected devices. I'll show you maybe on the screen. So it gave me those options. Ooh, bad. Trying to show you so that you can see USB preferences. Okay, so I'll click on this device, use 4, and I can't pick any other option. File transfer, switching. Okay, so it's switching, use USB 4, and couldn't switch. So my phone is not supported. So not all of the phones will be supported. As we see, those with USB ports, yes, USB-C ports. And that's why we've got inactive. I don't know if you can see inactive those rest of the options, and I can't switch even to the second option. I'll go for which one we have here. I know that I've got customers Note 10. My wife has Note 9. Okay, that's what I was looking for. Good, and we know that this phone was working fine. So, oh, okay, well, I have done with that one, but don't know if I won't damage this board, and I will have to, well, I'm waiting on the port anyway. So I'll be replacing this port, USB-C port. Okay, it went in. But do we have automatically? Yes, we do. Okay, so we can use this out of the box, so that's a good thing. So Note 10 is out of the box working with this device. Motorola, it's not. Okay, I'll pause and let's check Note 9. Okay, so I took my wife's phone while she sleeps. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so Note, oh, as well, look, Note 9, I'll log in. Okay, welcome to Samsung DeX, yay! Start. Schedule now, install now, update ready to install, no. How to open the touchpad on your phone. Okay, so I don't know what does it mean, but it's now an additional one feature. Okay, so schedule install. Okay, not 2. Let's make it 11. Okay. So we can't see use genuine DeX accessories. Use phone as a touchpad. Tap the back button on the navigation bar to close the touchpad. Okay, so we get it. In that case, yes, in that case, we can go and we can use as a DeX. That's nice. Okay, so probably we can connect as well the, how you call it, my files, videos, images. Yes, we don't have anything bad, I'd say yes. So you see your images, you can make backup in the cloud as long as your touchpad will work, yes. So that's a good thing. So Note 9 and Note 10 are okay for this. My Motorola G7 Power not. Let's check Google Pixel 3a. I do believe that won't as well, but oh, it's off. %, should switch on by now. I mean, it should switch on. Don't know if will, but should. Google, okay. I haven't glued the screen, I've put screws on, I didn't put a protection as well over there, so I can't put yet this screen properly. That's why I've got this test before install. Okay, let's see if there's anything on the capture. No, nothing. Nothing. And when we will disconnect and connect back, nope, nothing. Oh no, there is a pin, and I bought when I took this phone of the customer, and I don't know the pin. So yeah, I can't say that it's working. I need to ask for the pin first, or if no, I'll have to crack the pin, which I don't want to do. Okay, that's P40 Pro, out of the box as well. It's not working, so P40 Pro is bad for this. Yeah, opposite side of the cable, nothing as well. So I've checked both sides of the cable. Okay, so I'm quite positive that P40 Pro will struggle. I did hold the power button just now, but it was charged for a bit. I'll double check. If so, I'll leave under the description or in the description. Oh, customers calling. So you see, some devices will work with it, some devices won't work with it. Yes, I can't tell you which devices will be working with it. Maybe there is some list, but it's worth checking it up and worth understanding it, because what I see is that Samsungs are working fine. It's not a problem. Probably the old ones, and probably the what I have here, S5, is it charged or 95% charged? Probably S5 won't be that. From S6 I would say, because I think the DeX was from Samsung Galaxy S6, so probably I'm not that lucky with this one, but who knows, you know, I'm no expert. Okay, so let's disconnect. Oh, somebody hit me. S5 has micro USB, not USB-C. Duh, of course it won't work. I'm telling you, sometimes I'm so smart, sometimes I'm so not. But anyways, okay. So we know newer 6, probably S6 will be fine with it. Guys, that's it. That's everything in this episode. You see the device, you see that it is working with Samsungs. I don't know what about the other phones. I know my one don't want to switch to this. It would be quite interesting to see which devices are working, because at the end of the day, all newer should, yes? I can't tell you anything more about it, because I've got some other phones, but I've got some S8, but it's discharged, and yeah, it's discharged, so no point waste your time more. Guys, thank you for watching. Hope you got some value out of it. If so, please do like or subscribe. If you did, likes to you as well, thank you. And if you have any comments, comment down below. But that's it in this episode. Thank you for watching, and if possible, let's fix them all. Take care. Bye bye.